You've probably heard people online claiming they're making real money predicting events on Kalshi, everything from inflation numbers to election outcomes and market trends. It sounds exciting, almost like trading but with clearer questions and simpler decisions. But the real question is Kalshi actually worth trying in 2026, or is it just hype? Welcome to GigaBits, where we break down the most talked about financial platforms so you can avoid risks and find what truly works. Today we're reviewing Kalshi to see if it's a legitimate opportunity or a platform that might not be worth your time. I tested Kalshi for several weeks with multiple event contracts, tracked payouts, examined its regulatory framework, and compared user experiences from different regions and account sizes. Since Kalshi is fully regulated by the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, it operates under strict compliance rules, something most prediction platforms don't have. But regulation alone doesn't guarantee good returns or a smooth user experience. During testing, I found patterns. Some markets were highly liquid, others felt empty, some payouts were instant, others took a few hours, and new users often struggled with fees, risk management, and market volatility. So before deciding if Kalshi is worth it, let's break down exactly what it offers. Kalshi positions itself as the first fully regulated event trading exchange in the US. Instead of buying stocks, you buy yes or no contracts on real-world outcomes. If your prediction is correct, you get $1 per contract. If not, you lose your stake. Simple, clean, transparent. But like all trading platforms, simplicity doesn't guarantee profit. The value of Kalshi depends on market fairness, liquidity, fees, and how accurately you can predict complex real-world events, which is much harder than it looks. So let's break down the evidence. Step 1. Market liquidity. Some of Kalshi's biggest markets, like inflation data or employment reports, have solid liquidity, meaning you can enter and exit positions easily. But smaller markets often have thin activity, making it harder to trade without losing value. Step 2. Fees and profit margins. Kalshi charges trading fees that can add up quickly if you're constantly entering and exiting positions. Small profits can shrink fast, especially if you're trying to scalp tiny price movements. Step 3. Predictability of events. Events like CPI releases or unemployment numbers are influenced by dozens of variables. Even if you're well informed, the outcomes can still surprise everyone, meaning losses can be frequent if you rely solely on news sentiment. Step 4. Payout reliability. Payouts are legitimate and processed reliably. Kalshi is regulated, so it cannot simply delay or refuse withdrawals like unregulated platforms. That's a major advantage compared to prediction sites that operate mostly on trust. Step 5. Advanced strategies. Kalshi becomes more useful once you understand hedging strategies. Many traders use it to manage risk from traditional investments. But beginners who treat Kalshi like a betting app often lose money quickly. So is Kalshi worth trying in 2026? If you enjoy analyzing data, following economic trends, and managing risk carefully, Kalshi can be a legitimate and exciting platform. Its regulation, transparent pricing, and real-world event focus make it far safer than typical prediction markets. However, if you're looking for easy profits, Kalshi won't deliver them. The markets are competitive, the outcomes unpredictable, and the fees can eat into gains. In short, Kalshi is worth trying, only if you approach it like a serious trading tool, not a shortcut to fast money. If this review helped you understand whether Kalshi is right for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review trending platforms every week so you can make smart financial decisions. Hit the like button if this breakdown saved you time, and let me know in the comments whether you've tried event trading before. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you navigate the digital economy with confidence.